Are you ready to decorate our man cave?
Wait a minute, our man cave? No, my man cave. Thank you very much. You just hit
In today's video, we are gonna be decorating my husband's man cave. So welcome to Flourish with Delores. If you're new here, I'm Delores. This is my husband, Charles. And on my channel, I teach you how to embrace your journey. And remember that flourishing is about progress and not perfection, honey. You ready, hubby?
I'm ready.
All right, we are gonna get going. I love this thing.
Oh, goodness. Hand that over before you hurt somebody.
Yeah.
Hey!
Yay, you got your own throw.
Yes.
So you can back mine.
Yeah. What you got over here? You got something to put on? Yeah, what you got here? Oh, pillow?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
to decorate
yes.
yours.
Thank you. Yes.
You're welcome.
Exactly what the man cave needs.
Yes. Then we'll put the man cave together, baby.
Yes. Thank you. Yes, my framed jersey back from my playing days. I mean, you remember seeing me on the court. You probably remember. You remember. I dropped about 40 on them. All right, everybody. The man cave is just about finished. The only thing I think it's missing, well, two things really. Number one is a door. If you know somebody who can build me a door to block
You
all
got
this
build a door money?
Yes, and build me a door, preferably with a lock on it. That would be great.
Babe.
Let me know. So if you know a contractor, you know somebody, let me know, because we need to, while the sports are going on.
You got door money?
While the sports are going on, with video games, having a good time with the fellas, we need our piece of quiet. We don't want people like our wives nagging us to do this, that. No. We need a door. Number two, what we need is something that actually signifies that this is the man cave. So if you know any recommendations for any signs I could get, or maybe something you recommend that says Charles's man cave, please drop that below. I appreciate that.
So I organized, we have a whole tool, 3-bin thing, but this is where a lot of our screws are. But I organized and labeled the baggies. So this is our battery bag, but we're kind of running out. It just gives you a good visual. These are our tools that came in sets, depending on the package tools for our bed, for different things that we put together, like the office desk. I like to keep it together in a tool set baggie. Charles has the baggie of just loose screws, but we have one for tape. I have one for flashlights, so if power goes off, we know where our flashlights are. The tape one, I keep our measuring tape. It's tape. But it's just a really good way to try to organize it, and then having it in clear bags. These are pulls and cords. But having it organized in clear bags just makes it easier to see. And when you need a certain thing, you're not looking through like a whole dump of like random stuff. At least it's like separated per category. Let me know if that helps. That's my little organizing your toolbox hack. And then we keep all of the tools in this toolbox, got from the Dollar Tree. And then obviously the drill, we just keep it in the drill box. This is our photo from when we went on our first cruise, pretty much our first and the only time we went out of the country together. We went to Bahamas, Carnival Cruise, back in 2014. It's funny, I actually look younger now than I did in this. This was right after I finished my master's and I was tired.
And you got your doctor and then, yeah, well.
Even more tired.
You know how that went. It's finally done, people. I know you guys have been spending many endless nights wondering how all this is going to come together. Don't worry, I was feeling the same, but finally it is done. So now to take you on the long-awaited tour of the man cave.
That's what I was saying. I was like, I want to wipe it to the man cave.
Come. I'm gonna take you right over here. So, if you haven't figured it out, as many of you know, I'm a proud graduate of Seton Hall University, as well as a big fan of their basketball team. So, my amazing wife gifted me my own Seton Hall jersey, framed. You may remember me during my time at the Hall. You know, I probably dropped about 40, 50 points a game. You know, you might remember me. I'm in the record books, don't worry about that. Anyway, then another memorabilia from Seton Hall. This actually came from an alumni event they went to a couple years ago, some of our friends. It was a paint and sip event, and you can marvel at my fantastic artistic skills.
Mm-hmm. And he graduated 2012?
Yeah, 2012, baby. Funny story, I actually did so bad at art one time, my parents had to actually come to a teacher-parent conference.
Oh, God.
Where we going? I'll go over here first, go to TV. All right, come on, let me take you to the entertainment system. Come on. So, we got the clock from my favorite football team, the New York Giants. I always know what time it is. We got some more Seton Hall. We got PJ Carlissimo, one of the greatest coaches of all time, coaching there right there beside me when I'm watching basketball. Got a picture of my mom on my graduation day. My mom likes to attend many games with me, and since we can't do that because of the pandemic. She's right there with me. Got some card games, some dominoes for when it's safe. The fellas can finally come over. We can play some good games. We got my favorite book series of all time, Harry Potter. Got all the original copies. Of course, what I like to do after a hard day at the hospital, I like to kick back and relax and play some video games. So I got my PS4 hooked up. I haven't got the PS5 yet because I will not be waiting in no 20-degree weather for no PS5 and being online trying to check. I'll wait a little bit and I'll get it at some point. But still, I got all the games you need. Got some 2K, got some Call of Duty, you know, some of the basics. But I do have, which is one of my favorite video games of all time, Kingdom Hearts. My wife again got me one of the characters, which is Mickey Mouse. Hopefully I'm gonna try to just get a couple more Kingdom Hearts characters and try to build that around the man cave as well. And then finally I got a picture of my fellas right next to my video games because of the current climate, what's going on in the world right now, they can't always be here. But with this picture, I know they're always here with me.
Aww.
All right, where we going next? I think we'll come over here. So this is the guest chair. So when you come visit me. I got a spot all decorated.
It doesn't seem like the spot's available.
Well, not yet. No,
Who's sitting
available
on
at
it?
the moment. It's not available at the moment. But when you come over, we got a spot for you. I'm just keeping it nice and warm. But decorate this also with some more sports paraphernalia. I got again the New York Giants. I got a Seton Hall pillow, and then of course I got my teddy bear, Lil Kobe. So I always have someone keeping company with me in the man cave.
And who gave you little Kobe?
Jasmine gave me Lil Kobe.
Yes, thank you, Jasmine.
We got some flags, of course, of all my favorite sports teams. Ode to my time in marching band in high school. That's how a lot of the fellas, that's how we kind of got to bond, get to know each other, was through the marching band. That was my days, man. I could play some saxophone, let me tell you. Then, this was an amazing gift from my aunt and uncle. It was one of our wedding gifts. Finally had a chance to put it up. And this is just a lot of pictures of my family at various sporting events. You can see my dad, who was a Cowboys fan. You can see how often we sit down and watch football games together. And how much of it's a hassle for my mom watching both of us yell at the TV. Some more pictures of some of my high school friends. Picture of one of the greatest Seton Hall players of all time, Miles. Love that man. Picture of my wife, my family at my graduation day. Me and the big baller brand. And some more pictures of just our family. That's our wedding day. Some of our friends, Mike Josephine, my best friend Frank. Some of my friends from medical school. This is our graduation day at Seton Hall at MLKSA.
We all we got.
That's right. And then in the corner I have my co-residents from my residency program. God bless them, I miss them. Then finally, which I think is honestly my favorite wall in the man cave, is an ode to one of my favorite basketball players of all time, the late great Kobe Bryant. I was a strong believer in what he described as the Mamba mentality, and I really searched. I spent a lot of time trying to find something that I could use in the man cave to kind of honor him and honor his hard work ethic. And so I found this really, really nice poster that has a quote that, you know, I try to live my life by, and I thought it fit very well with my diplomas, so you'll see kind of them on each side. It's a constant quest to try to be better today than you were yesterday, and better tomorrow than you were the day before. Late great Kobe Bryant. Miss you, Kobe. And finally, where I like to sit. My side of the couch. So the reason I like about this couch, it's like very long. Allows me to not only like, you know, kind of stretch my legs if I want to take a little nap, which I've done. And then finally, come on, let me show you. Has a nice little plug setting if you need to charge your phone. And then if you want to kick back and relax. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, but
Every section of the chairs, all 5 pieces do this. 5 seats.
So come on over. Kick that out, kick that out. we got plenty of space. And then if you come a little forward, you got, because I like to have a little bit of like cushion underneath my feet. I don't like to be so much on the hardwood floor.
When you're coaching.
That's right. I have a beautiful Los Angeles Lakers carpet, which you know, I think turned out really well. It's like, it's very, very comfortable. It's very easy to vacuum, easy to clean. I feel like it just really kind of tops off the space. And so that's pretty much it. That's my man cave. You know, there's a couple other things hopefully I'll add to it. And we'll keep you guys updated on what we do with it, but that's pretty much the space. So let me know what you guys think. You know, toss any comments or any suggestions or anything else you think I should add. And thanks for watching, we appreciate it.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, definitely make sure you subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Peace.